So, yesterday morning I woke up in my bed and I heard some sounds downstairs and I knew something wasn't right. I went down and I saw my dog, Sami, trying to walk, and he was barely able to. His back legs were just stretching out on the floor, and he tried to crawl forward more or less. He was breathing very, very fastly and hectically, and I thought, okay, well, what the hell is going on? So I just I opened the door to the garden and put him out to get him some fresh air, to think maybe it was just a cramp or something. And I put him out, closed the door, went up again to get dressed, to get my nightly contacts out, and I felt something is very wrong. I came down again and was opening the door to the garden, and he laid just on the floor, breathing, just heavily but very silent, and he pooped a bit. I took him on my arms, took him in, putting him in on a carpet, let's say, and ran upstairs again, woke up my girlfriend and told her, I think Sami's going to go. And so I got down again, she came, we were sitting next to him. He wasn't able to lift his head. He wasn't able to communicate, let's say, like this. So I called the doctor, explained to him. Was another doctor than usually, because I tried to reach my usual doctor and they were just not there. It was very early in the morning. So, yeah, he already said, okay, he can make a basic kind of examination. And but I think, or he thought in this age, so he was 15 years old, something around that. Could have been here a brain stroke, something like that. So yeah, I took him and put him to his favorite place after I was laying down and crying because he really wasn't moving. I took him on the other place, and we waited for the doctor. On the other place, he were at least able to lift his head a little bit. And 20, 30 minutes later, the doctor just came and made a general examination. Sami wasn't able to stand up. We approached him to try to call him to us. And he were just like not really already trying to get up. And then the doctor and I were just putting him on his feet and trying to do that, but he screamed and he had pain. And so he tried to pinch his paws and see if there's any reaction, and on each paw there was a reaction, and the legs were just soft as he told. So basically everything seemed to be fine, with a little bit of a heart racing heart. And but when he was standing, he was immediately going to go back down, and he was just like this. And so eventually we decided to put him down, get him to sleep, and give him the last death call, which was pretty hard. It was yesterday morning, so basically I've lost a very, very big part of me, which was my best friend for the last 15 years. And I think I've done many mistakes with him, so not moving him a lot, or not enough, basically. in the end, we were just out daily, absolutely. But there were some times where I just put him into the garden, which wasn't the best, I think. So I now regret that I have not lived through more adventures that I've done. I also think yesterday it came up to my mind in the evening that it might have happened that it was just a cramp and he might be okay, and so I basically regretted the decision to give him the last call. And boy, I'm not able to well, what means not able? So basically, I'm just down. Today I think it's some kind of coping mechanism. I already visited some other dogs. I'm not sure if I want to have another one. So we have 3 dogs, or we had 3 dogs since yesterday. My both Whiskey and Sami are pretty old. So Sami was 15 years, Whiskey is 14 years. He has HD, so he's barely moving, living on painkillers and such. And the girl, the dog of my girlfriend are 3, so she's very beautiful and a cool dog and very energetic. That helps a lot. And today I'm just here alone with Whiskey, so my girl and the dogs are out, and I'm having a very hard time to understand where I want to go. Right? So basically, I'm not getting to a good analysis of myself to understand what I want to do next, because that piece of myself, what is missing, I somehow want to have it back, even if I do know that that is not possible. And I'm thinking about having a new dog, train him again, making him a very good companion, being on the bike, being with the board, being on hikes. And so I will not take a quick decision right now to come up with that very fast, but in the end it will happen, something like this. So, if you are a dog person, and in general, I want to tell you something. Regret is possibly the worst feeling you can have. Regret of not having done enough. Regret of could have behaved different. So don't get me wrong, I did not hit my dog or physically raped him or something. No, absolutely not. It's just like I'm questioning myself, what could I have done differently, and what will I do different with a potential new one. So as this channel is about me and about challenges of life and the pure roads out there that are coming up along the way and we might be struggling with, I just took this video as an honest kind of fresh restart for the channel, to tell you guys something, or to tell you guys something about me. So I will keep you updated, I guess, with the next decisions. And let me just tell you this: if you are a dog owner, don't regret. Go out, have fun, make as many adventures as you can do. Be brave, let your dog be one of your best companions, and do everything that you don't need to regret anything in the past. So with that said, somehow I thank you guys for being here. If you made it to this part of the video, I'm pretty stoked. And for me, everything is about sharing honesty and authenticity. And in the life of an entrepreneur, of an unsuccessful entrepreneur, as this channel is going to be called soon, but that's another video, I tell you, it feels good to speak about your feelings, speak about things that happens in your life. And I'm just trying to make that my new natural approach, something like this, right? So, in the end, Sami, thank you so much. You showed me so much. I'm so grateful that I have been the part of your life, the most important part of your life I guess. And it was a pleasure to have you. I will always, always love you. Bye bye.